biggest barrier facing organizations is themselves. Inertia, complacency, and a fear of change.
Education, pure and simple.
Probably price.
I think a lack of understanding. I think a lot of people don't really understand the true nuances of AI.
User error. People prompting very poorly and getting very poor results and then saying, oh, the AI doesn't work.
It's because there's too much noise. The legislation around it isn't very clear. Who owns content when it's produced by it? Who's responsible if something goes wrong?
I think the biggest barrier to organizations adopting more advanced AI today is probably how they use their data and how they consider their data.
I think it's compliance and regulation in terms of how much AI knows about your product, customers, data. I think it's pretty unclear. It's also the cost of AI at the minute.
So a lack of understanding of actually what it can deliver and the impact it can actually have to your contact centre or to your customer experience.
I think it's still in its infancy essentially, and there will be bugs and there will be issues. I think also customers can be wary of AI. So many times you phone through to a call centre and you're repeating yourself over and over again because it's not understood you.
There's a lot to be said around making sure that the content is structured and the security against different types of knowledge or training materials are segmented, so you don't want to open everything up straight away. So there's a bit of due diligence.
Fear, and it's fear in two places. Firstly, those people often researching it are afraid they'll lose their own jobs. So why would you be like a turkey voting for Christmas? And secondly, they're really worried about compliance and security.